I see it now in my head, like a photograph under my bed. And the lights were out, so the mood was set. We said those words, I never saw it coming. Caught me by surprise. I swore you were the one when looked into your eyes. Yeah, I was never gonna leave ya, leave ya. You were always gonna be that one. Yeah, our love was like a fever, fever. And then I'm broken, you were gone, 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 gone. A scene like this when you turned and walked away. I never saw it coming, caught me by surprise. I swore you were the one when I looked into your eyes. Yeah, I was never gonna leave ya, leave ya. You were always gonna be that one. Our love is like a fever, fever. I don't know where to start. I'm trying to think about pieces in my sense of all the reasons, but I just can't. I'm trying to breathe a little deep, forget everything that we do, but I just can't. That you're gone, gone, gone. Gone, gone, gone. Gone. I was never gonna leave ya, leave ya, never gonna leave ya. You were always gonna be that, be that.
Before you run away, I just have to say that you're the only thing that makes me feel alive. I know I've made mistakes, done things I can't erase, but I'd give anything to hold you close tonight. And I don't think I could last one day knowing that you're headed on your way. And I love how you loved me before. I wonder what I was waiting for. But this feeling you don't feel anymore. And now I'm watching you close the door. Oh, how I love how you loved me before. Before you run away, I just have to say that my world stops when I look into your eyes. Now watching you cry, I ask myself why. 'Cause I'd give anything just to see you smile. And I don't think I can stand to wait, knowing that you're headed on your way. And I love how you loved me before. I wonder what I would was waiting for. But this feeling